This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, I'm taking you on my imaginary boat for a riddle. What do you think is the common point between a borough of the city of Montreal, an important street in Chicago, a car brand and a singer-songwriter Quebec? From a quick look, there is none, and yet this common point is Rouen. Indeed, it is a man born in 1643 in the city of Rouen, René-Robert Cavelier de La Salle. Explorer and traveler, he traveled the Great Lakes region of the present-day United States and Canada, then the Mississippi River, and thus discovered the territories located between the St. Lawrence Valley and the Mississippi Delta. Each element mentioned above bears the name of Cavelier de La Salle. For example, in Montreal, there is a borough and a LaSalle secondary school. In Chicago, USA, there is LaSalle Street. That is, LaSalle Street. We also find the name of LaSalle for an automobile brand baptized in 1927 by Alfred Sloan, then president of General Motors. Finally, more recently, it is the Quebec artist Alexandre Belliard who composed a song in honor of Cavelier de La Salle in his cultural project Legends of a People.